outcomes of the politics of social divisions. There are three basic factors that decide the outcomes of the social divisions. They are identities, demands of any particular community, government's reaction. We talk about identities. The outcome depends on how people perceive their identities. If they see their identities in singular and exclusive terms, it becomes very difficult to accommodate. If people see their identities in multiples, it becomes easier for them to accommodate. In India, people tend to think themselves as Indian as well as the resident of a particular state or language group or social or religious community, which helps them to stay together in contact, in peace and harmony. Then we talk about the demands of any particular community. What does it mean? That it depends upon how political leaders raise the demands of any particular community. It becomes easier to accommodate demands that are within the constitutional framework of the nation and not at the cost of another community. Right? Then comes government's reaction. How do the government react? It largely depends on how the ruling government reacts to the demands of the different groups, what they are demanding and how the government is responding to their demands. It is mutual. In democracy, political expression of social division is normal and can be healthy and should not see as a source of danger to the nation. It allows many disadvantaged or marginalized social groups to express their grievances, and this encourages government to attend to their problems.